Good morning, everyone. Let's go over a few things. So we got crude's pushing up a little. Bitcoin's not doing anything. Bonds new range low yesterday. Gold just off the lows this morning. The dollar's holding in. You can see it's starting to pull back a little here intraday. Overall, we're still holding in, still watching this possible rounded top for a pullback. VIX is gapping up a little. Oscillators plus 35 New York Stock Exchange, plus 49 NASDAQ, put to calls in the neutral area, heading towards the bearish though. Breaths paused, advanced decline lines rolled down. Let's start with the SPY. Let's go intraday. So we're going to be watching this 371.16 for resistance. 368.64 has been a big level. And then that level we added yesterday, is 367.58. If we lose 368, look for 367. I don't know if this line is going to stay in there, but if we lose that, look for 364. Obviously, we always watch for the previous day's low. You can see right here, we found support right there in the same area. For the most part, not textbook, but we come right back to that same area. So let's go take a look at the Qs real quick. The Qs here, if we push 273.71, if we pull back 267.46, turn these moving averages off, shorter time frame, 270.66 right now, pull back 267.46. If we decide to push, look for 273.71 for resistance. IBM earnings, they had a good report and they raised their guidance. They had a nice move up here and after hours last night. This would have made a nice trade as well, scalping, or it's a cheaper trade than what Tesla is. But so if we want to push, we need to take out, let's go intraday, we need to take out the high here, preferably the candle bodies here in this area. If we can push up above that, it may want to run. If it pulls back, watch yesterday's high. Let's blow this, shrink this chart up a little bit. Watch yesterday's high for support if we do try to pull back. It's worth keeping an eye on. I don't have a lot on this one, just to be perfectly honest. You can see that we're in this downtrend here and we just gapped over that. So if you draw your downtrend here like that, I would, let's go back to the 15-minute chart. You can see we're above that, so you can look somewhere in this area. The downtrend could probably be drawn a little bit better, but you can look somewhere in that area for support if we do pull back. All right, so let's go to Tesla. I know this is what everybody's looking at today. The whole world's watching Tesla today. So Tesla, they missed on revenue. They forecasted a good year coming up. Musk said that they will be bigger than Aapl and Saudi Aramco soon. In the future. He was on the call last night, very vocal on Twitter. He was very vocal. So let's just see what it does today. I really don't have an idea at all, but one thing we're going to see is we will see a lot of flow on this. It pretty much respects our levels. We took it out a little bit yesterday. Let's go to the daily. So if we do pull back, you can see our low down here at 204. Looks like 204.16. Let's go to intraday chart. So you can see a level right down here. If we do pull back, that's where we're going to look. Let's draw this in right here. Going to look for at the 203.50 if we do lose the 209 level today. Let's lock this in. So it looks like 209.81 for support. If we can continue to push up, watch 215.48. If we have a really good day, it's 222.57, 224.57. That's a huge area right there. But if we pull back, let's watch 209 or 203.50. We need to change the color of this new level. We need to make sure it gets respected. And lock that in. Alright, so let's keep it moving. Let's energy. ExxonMobil, we had this nice breakout here. We talked about this yesterday. I wish I was able to get the video out, but I still was able to mention this coming in. But you have this tabletop right here, and we broke out of that. Wasn't on volume, but look at how steep this MACD is on the way up. I mean, that's just a strong chart. You want to watch your all-time high in this area, because this can obviously offer some resistance. Let's go ahead and get that drawn in right here, right now. Blow this up a little bit. So 103.66. Keep an eye on that area. Looks like we closed above it. So that's the body. Obviously, we did push up, so you want to keep an eye on the top of this wick as well if we do try to push. Let's go to the intraday charts. You can see we're above that area, so we want to watch 103.66 for support. If we lose that, you can see, where do I have here? Alright, so apparently I was looking for support across this area. I'm not sure why I drew it out, but you can look for some support right across that area right there at about 101.83. I want to take a look at this little PBF. I posted a chart of this the other day. Very nice flag setup. You know, part of me wants to get back into trading these, but it's got a lot to do with the money. But you got this nice flag set up. I posted this in Gino's watch list section. But we had this nice breakout on volume, pushing up. I got a nice flag break there. And that's an energy name as well. CVX also, you know, we're watching that little head and shoulders breakout right here. You can see that we've pushed up. The neckline's not the greatest. That should be the neckline. So kind of got a double neckline there, but we've broken up out of that area. If this wants to push today, watch 173.47. So 166.12 will be support here as well if we do decide to pull back up a little bit. Pre-market. Let's see, what else did we have? Let's go take a look at Apple. Always got to look at Apple because it's, you know, huge. So 143.74 would be support here for Apple. If we do decide to push, I would watch this area right here. Let's put a line in there. You can see we've hit this area a few times. Now we're going to leave this dotted and as a test number, but if we do push, watch 145.38. We'll see how that acts if we pull back 141.24. That's a pretty big level too, that 141.24. I'll take a quick look at Amazon. You can see Amazon 114.46 is support. If we try to push today, watch 116.76. I have one level. No, okay. 112.05. I got to find something in this area. Too big of a move there. If we do pull back, 112.05. Watch 114.46 for now. 116.76 if we push. That's a big level there. We've moved in and out of that level quite a bit. I hope everybody has a great day. I'll see you in the trading room. Let's get in here and make some money, guys. Remember, discipline and patience is key to your success.